Tita Chay, thank you for so much, Din. I love you. At thank you sa'yo po dito, Tita Chay. We're often this.
Nagpalalabog nga ang isa sa fan ni Liam from Taguig. Kaya na naman itong si Liam, happy na naman.
Hi, society, Tita Chay, I love you.
You open it. How do you open that? Like this.
Like this.
That. Yeah. You need to be careful.
I said, Tita Chay, I love you.
Okay, you get it.
Meron. Ano yung natunog?
Oh, you get it. You get it. You get one. You get one. Okay, get it. Oh, labas mo, labas mo. Labas mo. Labas mo. Wow! Another one. Okay, well, you get another one. Wow!
Ang dami.
Wow! More Toblerone! Wow, what's that? What's that? M&M's. You love the M&M's? What's that? Cute ka!
Ang laki.
Ang laki, oh. What's that?
Mighty Sis.
No, it's M&M. More M&M. Wow!
Ayun sa akin binili ni Mami, Tita.
Oh, yes.
Ang binili.
Wow! Wow! There's more, huh? Wow! What's that? What's that?
Kisses.
Pieces. There's a lot of pieces, huh?
Wow, Mami!
Wow! Your favorite! Oh, there's
Your
more.
favorite, I
Oh my God!
Nakadami.
Napakadami! Ah, patingin yan. Napakadami pala niyan, oh. Oh. Oh, what did you say to Tita Chay? What did you say to Tita Chay?
Thank you.
Are you happy ba daw? Sabi ni Tita Chay, are you happy?
Happy.
Are you happy?
Buksan ko na to. Kailangan ko na to kainin.
Ay, buksan mo yan. Kailangan mo nakainin yan.
Buksan ko lahat na yan.
Ito.
Thank you so much, Tita Chay. I love you.
Siguradong busog na busog at happy na naman ang cheat day nito ni Liam. Maraming salamat, Tita Chay from Taguig. We love you. Love Don Liam and
Ay,
family.
mga mo to.
Lalagay ko yan sa rep. Huwag mo kukuhanin sa rep yan, ha? Baka kukuhanin mo na naman sa rep yan.
Kuhanin ko talaga to. Pag wala kami, aabutin ko yung kuha akong upuan.
Pag wala ako, aabutin mo yan, kukuha ka ng sit down. Grabe ko naman. Give mo naman kami niya ni Daddy, ha? Bakit?
Kasi ba sa inyo ito magdodoktor ka nito?
Grabe ko naman.